Hey guys, how are you? Yeah, my name is KT. It's KT from LSK Bafwetu. Yeah, I'm here with the review of the diss, between Big Zulu and the Duncan. Like Big Zulu, when he started the beef, like it was like the hip hop is dead here in Mzansi. So now he wanna bring it back, and he just make the battle, challenging all the codes which are here from Mzansi, So this guy is a hardcore guys. He's dope. He knows his story. He knows what he's doing. But now as the beef carries on, hey, things change now. Like, guys, hey, I don't know how do you see it, but I think maybe from your point of view, you know what you can say and how it is. But anyway, this is how it all started. Like, Big Zulu dropped the diss track, which was 150 bars, where he called most of the artists like Questa, Casper, KO, Duncan, 25K, MT. All of them replied to this track, whereby no, most of them, when they replied, like it was stop, they came hard, like trying to stop him. He mustn't do that if he doesn't want to end his career. But wow, guys, you can't believe what I'm gonna tell you right now about him. Like, it's still going on and on and on. But anyway, today I'm just going to talk about Duncan and the Big Zulu. Yeah, that's where we're gonna just sit and watch what's happening between them and how it's gonna end. And you, as a fan, what do you think? Okay. Uh, Big Zulu on 150 track, 150 bar this track. He mentioned the Duncan. He said that omunye ngamcela feature wathi ngiyabanda manje obanda tenge like wagcina hitting ngetsikitsiki. Yeah, whereby he means like Duncan asked the feature from the Duncan, but now Duncan said, no, I can't feature you, bro. You are too cold. Like, I really can't. But now things have changed. Him, Duncan, is the one who's cold. He just made one hit and then he went cold all along. Wow. Like, what a wow, guys. But Duncan came with Umnwabo as a reply of this track of 150, where he went hard, because the beef is a beef, bro. You have to go hard. So most of the people here in Mzansi, they said no, Duncan took it personal. Like, wow, this dude, man, he's swearing Big Zulu, whereby he mentioned some lines there where he says that the Big Zulu, he's like a Papa Penny, he's swearing the prenude and like, you understand what I'm saying? Wow, guys, wow. But after that this track, it took, I think, about 2 years. After 2 years, Big Zulu, bruh, that guy is hard, is very hard, and he's confident enough. He knows his game, you see. But again, some people, they reckon that Big Zulu makes Duncan relevant while Duncan is cold. Every time when this Big Zulu dropped the diss track, Duncan's he blow up like his trend. By that time, after a few months, then it stops. So it carries on like this, guys. Like, oh, I want you to listen to those tracks and see, because like I'm gonna play them for you and you must tell me your side. Ne? Yeah, just listen to that line where I was talking about Big Zulu when he was dissing the Duncan on a 150 bars. Listen to him. This guy is so dope, is so hard. Just listen.
Omunye ngamcela ifeature wathi ngiyabanda ngidikindiki bheka manje ubanda mpo wagcina ihit ngetsikitsiki bafana ngigcwele ukuphapha ozongiphendula ngidonsa impama.
Yeah. Okay, guys. You hear what I'm talking about? Well, so then it took just few days. Then after a few days, this is whereby Duncan dropped Umunwabo. This is how Umunwabo goes, guys. It was hard, like yes. Just listen to it. Listen, yeah, and tell me what you think, man.
leqhegu laseBergville abathi upapapeni licathi rap umdlalo bheka manje ngizolifaka esikoleni buso buyisiqwembe nentshebe ngathi intambo zebheshu ucathi rap isitathami nomlomo onuka intelezi uphambanelwe imizwa eyithombeni uphosa njengethekeni inkabe njani epakishile esipintsha ngamabhlukwe khona okushaya amanzi lana somiza ukhulume sholo mfana namhlanje kuzosila umuntu ngizokhweba
this guy is dope, guys. He's dope. He's very dope. Yeah, but let me hold it there because, like, after 2 years, as I reckon, I mean, like, recently, I think around before September, or yeah, that's when the Big Zulu dropped 200 bars, whereby he's just pointed few of celebrities, left others behind, because, like, he made the shout out to KO. I don't know if he's scared to reply, but it was just a shout out, Yeah, he didn't diss him again, And then the fans were curious and asking, why, as you were pointing all these people around here, I mean the celebrities, why didn't you diss A-Risi? His reply was like, nah, I don't know anything about him, as I am a Zulu guy. Actually, I don't follow him. I don't know what to say about him. That's why I left him. Because when he dropped the 200 bars, we're expecting him to mention Aries so that Aries can reply and the game can be hot. Sorry guys. But well, that's what he said, the Big Zulu, to his fans. He can't really mention Aries, But well, he came with the very dope 200 bars diss track. I mean the beat, bro. The beat is dope. It's a Sister Bettina beat, and then the rhymes, the context, it is dope. The bars, how we made it. It is dope, my man. Just listen here, what I'm talking about. This guy is a gold, man. The guy is a gold. But now, I'm curious. I mean, after, he just took one day. The second day after he dropped the diss track, Duncan replied. Just imagine, that guy was he was ready. But there's one podcast where I was listening, whereby they were interviewing Duncan, and then he said, no, he heard from someone that this guy is gonna diss him. He wrote a track to diss Duncan. But now, Duncan tried to call Big Zulu. Then first time he didn't answer the phone. And then he called him again and asked, "Me brah, I was with you at your house there. We were happy, chilling. It was okay. But now we still have quiet. What's up? What's happening? What's wrong, man? Huh? What's wrong?"
Ungangitsheli ngephara kuliglu ephathekayo ngilikhawule nganuka ngigeza izandla kwaPilato yakhala uDJ Tira uthi studio silahlekile kunzima ukusebenza nephara uthi lithini lingabhemile umkhubu usekhaya usibheka kuthi udidekile usakhala ngokuncane kuyoduka igate mawungabhekile uthi awunandaba nemali awuzwi menemene ngathi intombi elinda ukushelwa yicareer imile ne wena ku level yami not in a millionaires so ufila kanjani iphara lidiswa imillionaire icall DJ Tira namanje akakhiphile silinda 200 angithi na 2 years umsizile siyacela ubaphinda ama-bookings ayafilile anithi ngivusa ipoko zami angithi zonke iphuphile ushuni bazoshukuma ngishintsha iflow bazobhukuda ubhekane nenkabi ikhakha ilizofukusa izulu uzoduduma ngena inkapa zosukuma ngokuboshela udrink and drive ususibiza umakhulu uzakwe wakufaka egemini wathi ungaduma wamjikela ingoma eyodwa itsikitsiki yathi ngaphupha wajikela sengizwela umalume imali e-afri yaphelela kunzima ukuwinisama umi-artist libandela yakhumbula square-wise uthi uzama ukuxolisa wazi waguqa ngamadola bapha babekukhohlisa kwakumele kuphonsa impama umakoti wakhe ngamhlonipha ngamagangsta ku-social media masihlangana niyaxolisa sekusele kancane iphara ngilifaka idindile mali ngibona liyafriza ngathi ngilikhombe ngepistini yakhala uDJ Tira uthi usayini isidididi unechiscope oduse afro ngizima nokufaka isingile.
And then that's whereby Big Zulu said, no, bro, this is just the game. Let's just play the game, Okay, then that's where Duncan said, okay, no problem. It's fine. So Duncan heard it from Zakwe, because Zakwe is the friend with Duncan. It's like he heard it, Big Zulu played the track for Zakwe, and then Zakwe told Duncan about the diss track. You understand? That's when the Duncan called Big Zulu, my man. Yeah. Hey. That's when he wrote his lines and carried on. So after those hours when after Duncan dropped that diss track, like Twitter was buzzing, bruh. Everyone was like, yo, man, this guy killed Big Zulu career. You know, he killed it with the bars, the line. He went very hard and it is clean. No swearing. It is just clean, man. So I don't know what can you say, but this is how it goes, man. Because it's a review. I don't know from your own point of view, what do you think, you know? But most of the people and fans, they think Duncan just killed Big Zulu career. You understand? And then some fans, they just say, what's the use? Because Duncan can go hard now, but after a few months, then he get cold again. So you think Duncan will be very hot, or like he will stay relevant, or he's gonna be cold again? And you think maybe Big Zulu career is gonna end? Yeah, tell me what you think, man. Please, and listen to this track when he was replaying Duncan and tell me what you think. Yeah, there's it, it's playing, my man.
Umthetho wakho wena Skuvu uyangijwayela ne. Usuqala ukunginyanyisa okwangempela ke manje, hayi okudlala. Wakwangibona ngiphatha lipayola mina. Mnganami, mabe ufuna mina nawe singabhekani mabe sihlangana. Angisadlali nawe, angisahleki nawe, angiyena futhi umnganakho, you understand? Bengidlala mina nawe, kodwa wena mangabe sowuthatha lento ngalendlela oyithatha ngayo, angeke uzuyithandeke mnganami mase ngiyithatha ngendlela wena oyithatha ngayo. Lokho nje angikusho ekugcwale indlebe zakho ukwazi ukuthi mangabe uzoqhubeka nalento yakho la sizohlangana khona mina nawe, khona uzoba nenkinga nje enkulu. Lokho nje angibeke kuphumela obala ngoba usuyangijwayela. Uqale wangithuka wakafaka inhlamvu,
Mostela marapper ngiwanqena ngiwafeel shame, I feel ashamed mase kuxhonyelwana with them fake chains, fake accents basibona behlala stage straight. Hip hop useyiphenduka small streets, thola ama fake fates. Angiqale ekuqaleni ngicela isitulo before ngihlale endabeni, ninginike isihlilingi ngishaya inyo nesihlahle lesiqongweni. Rap yabahlula babaleka bacasha ngebheshu, sengiphenduka ku-DSW clean udodweni. Balahleka the time seniluka ikhanda ubudoda benu, ubudoda bami mina ngiveza phezu kwadadewenu. Phela Skuvu akanazwela ungamfanisa nebhubesi, lamakhotha yabaleka make ngibona ngiza mfethu. Shilo ngathi yakhala manje ningilalele ngizwe jet, bangisukela ngizithulele manje ngiyabathosa. Fana njengegama la producer ngisenakutola, so operator njengoxolani ibhari sokuthola. Ngizwa ngephunga njengalezi esijampa amabhoda, ngilove kuthunuka isilonda blind uqeda ukusithoba. Kusazophuma inyembezi ngathi ushafu onyone uchopa, mawubifa nami uba exposed okwekhekhe likaZodo. Akhashe I'm jealous down now, uyarapha lo mfana. I'm the best, lay fact, uzutira mawuthanda fucking the game in style. Ingivulela amathanga bathi rasta lidla inyama ngipheka ithanga lentanga. Kule game angisanantanga, ngimbona kakazalwa noma esezaliwa ngeka last ngoba ngizombulala. Basabalabala mababhala labo mkhaya labi, IQ yabo igcwele umayimay. Duma inhloko ekhanda ngilegendary kule game, ngiyadefenda like McFish, ngishoda ukuthi ngithrow ihook. Sengumakhile lo fish, izinja mayikhonkotha ngiyiqothula ngisiponsela ufish. Work ngokurapha nasekuculeni lo muntu ulibhip, lo baba ngathi uconfused ngathi mizwa kasomi. Hhayi angithule ngaze ngisifake ubishini, born and raised eThekwini, ingakho ngiflowa kamnandi amagama ntante egagasini. Indaba sirap nge-English ingakho bengaswizisisi, ngiyanginyanyisa nonke sisi mele ningibize umelusi ngoba vele nje I'm the beast. Ngiyandidisa ibhiziningi sengenile ebhilidini, ngiyaniphezula ngimasha nomqondo wempatha ngosikisi. Ibhithi ngiyalilayitha ngiyalishisa ngiyalibhema njengefolishi, sibhala bebebhizi bashuqula ikhanda ngesokisi. Umfazi omnyama wanna be nimqokiseni iphinifu, ngapha rumor has it kwabadubula intaba ngombayimbayo yedwa kasokile. Kulenga inwele ekhanda nasentashingeni kulenga inyama, bathi uSkuvu uthuka inhlamba, hhayi futhi namanga.